Assalamualaikum. I will discuss about question A. In question A, the main point that we will discuss, there is three. The first is chemical test, second is preparation, and third is chemical properties. So I will discuss about chemical test first. In chemical test, there are three reactions that we must know. The first reaction is with Br2 and CH2Cl2, and it will form the reaction. It will form, as you can see at my map. The second test is Br2 NH2O or Br2 aqueous. And the two reaction the observation of the two reaction is reddish brown color of Br2 will be discolorized. And the third reaction is KMNO4 OH minus with a cool condition. And the observation is purple color of KMNO4 decolorized and brown precipitate is formed. And the second main point is preparation. At preparation, we will learn about two reactions. The preparation is how to form the alkene. The first reaction with H2O SO4 in a hot condition. The second reaction is KOH and alcohol in a reflux condition. And the third main point is chemical properties. At chemical properties, we have to know about 2 points. There is first electrophilic addition, second oxidation. The first reaction is O3 and zinc H2O. But we must put I Roman and 2 Roman. And the reaction will produce, as you can see in the mind map. The second reaction is KMnO4 and H plus in a hot condition. So we will continue with electrophilic addition. In electrophilic addition, there are 6 reactions that we must know. For the first reaction, alkene will react with HBr and ROOR, and it will produce, as you can see in the mind map. The second reaction is H2O with H plus. The third reaction is HX. X is Br2 or Cl2. For the fourth reaction, Br2 with H2O, or we can use Br2 aqueous. And for the fifth reaction is Br2 with H2Cl2. And it can form, as you can see. And the last reaction is H2 with PT and ONI or PD. That's all for question A.
So, for question B, the question is a solution contain ethyl cyclopentane and bromine is exposed to sunlight. Write the mechanism and give the observation of the reaction. State the type of reaction involved. So, the first step is we need to draw the compound. The compound is ethyl cyclopentane react with bromine, exposed to UV, which means sunlight, and produce the major product, bromoethyl cyclopentane. And the reaction is halogenation, free radical substitution.
So, to write the mechanism, we have 3 steps. And the first step is initiation, second step propagation, and the third step is termination. For the first step, Br2 we break the bond to Br plus dot Br. To break the bond of Br2, we must show the half-headed arrow from the bond to the Br. So, for the second step is propagation. Propagation is the step that one radical generates formation of another. The compound that every single of the compound has hydrogen at the carbon. So we must show one of the hydrogen and one electron from the hydrogen and one electron from the Br. We will show with the half-headed arrow, and the hydrogen and the Br will produce HBr, and the hydrogen that left we will put the dot on the compound. For the second step, propagation, we have two steps. That is the first step. So, for the second step, we must take the compound that have the dot and plus with the Br2. And we must break the bond of Br2, which means one of the bond with the compound and one another to the another Br. And it will produce the compound and Br and plus the dot Br. The hydrogen will replace Br. For the step 3 is termination. We have 3 steps for termination. So the first step is Br with Br. So one electron from Br dot Br and one electron from the other. We will show with the half-headed arrow and it will produce Br. For the second step is the compound with the dot plus the compound with the dot also. So we also will show with the half-headed arrow and it will produce the compound as shown in the video. So for the last step, the compound plus dot Br, and we need to show the half-headed arrow also between the dot, and it will form the major product. So that's all for question B. Thank you.
I will continue for question C. The question is, compound S CCH12 reacts with bromine under the sunlight to form TCCH11Br. All carbon atoms in S are sp3 hybridized. T reacts with KOH in hot ethanol to form U.
ozonolysis of U form V. CCH10O2. Deduce the structure and write all the equations involved. For the first one is compound S6CH12 reacts with bromine under the sunlight to form T. This is how to write the reaction. The name of the reaction is free radical substitution. For the second one is T reacts with KOH in hot ethanol to form U. This is how to write the reactions. The reaction is dehydrohalogenation. The last one is U form V. The reaction is ozonolysis. This is how to write the reaction. That's all from us. The end. That's all from us.
Thank you for watching.